Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are going to be doing an eyeshadow routine today. I'm going to be doing the Addiction Shadow Palette 3, which is one of my absolute favorites. It is so gorgeous. These beautiful shimmery colors. Let's try it out. To get started, I am going to get this color Determined. I'm just going to kind of swirl it around and tap in, and then I'm also going to get a little bit of this one as well. Same thing, tap it off. And we're going to use that as our transition shade. Now I'm going to get the crease brush and I'm going to get this black in the color Irate. And I'm just going to put that around the outer corner and then just kind of blend it in a little bit up into the crease, filling in the outer corner. I'm going to get the liner shader brush, get that same color, and just put a little bit under the lower lash line. And then now I'm going to get the shader side, and I'm going to get this color Flippant. I'm just going to be putting that right in the middle. I'm going to get a little bit of this one in the shade Cheeky. Just kind of put that over where the black was. Just gonna kind of lighten it up and add a little bit of shimmer. And then I'm gonna use my middle finger. And I'm gonna get the shade Smitten for the inner corner. And for some reason, when you use your finger, it just kind of like makes it brighter and goes on better. For whatever reason. But and we'll just kind of put it in the inner corner. And a little bit up at the brow area. Okay, and now we're going to do the other eye. All right, we finished up with the other side, and now to finish off, we are going to use the Epic Twisted Mascara. I'm going to start with the tiny wand first, just to kind of get at the root and give a base coat, and then you can also get in that inner corner a lot easier without getting it on your nose and all that, and then down on the bottom without making it look too heavy and weighed down. Now I'm going to get the bigger wand and I turn it towards me, and as I blink, turn it away, and that way it's coating the whole length of the lash with the whole brush. So you're not just going over the same part the whole time. Turning, and it's getting all of that mascara coating on every last inch of your lashes. It's going to add more length and volume. Alright, now I'm going to finish up with the other eye. Okay, and there you have it. This was the Addiction Shadow Palette 3. Okay, and this is the final look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.